Christmas salsa. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. Today, Rebel Canners, I'm going to make Christmas salsa. It is a hot cranberry relish, and it's a personal favorite of our family. We've been making it every year for about 8 years now. It's a good way to use up any extra cranberries you find, and it is delicious. So follow along with me. I'm going to talk you through the recipe. 1 pound of fresh whole cranberries. If you get them on sale, it's extra bonus points. 1 large orange. You're going to cut this in half, take out the seeds, and we're going to put it in the food processor, rind and all. 1 large apple. You're going to remove the seeds and core, and my family actually likes me to peel it as well. Remove the core and the seeds from the apple. Go ahead and cut this into chunks. Place the cranberries, apple, and orange in the food processor and chop them all together. Here's where the heat comes in. You're going to add 2 jalapeños that have been seeded and minced. You're also going to need 2 cups of white sugar, but you could substitute if you like for another sweetener. Stir in the sugar and jalapeños into your fruit mixture. Go ahead and mix well together so that it's thoroughly blended and the sugar is coating everything. Chill well for 48 hours minimum, but this salsa really improves with age and it also freezes really well. So you can do this as one of your make-aheads before Thanksgiving or Christmas. Serve on your holiday table well chilled. This recipe makes approximately 3 cups of fruit salsa. Check out this playlist of other recipes around the holiday time. I think you will enjoy. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.